Hey signers, so welcome back to Sign With Me. In today's lesson, we are going to be learning how to sign customer service, and this is the part 2 of customer service. If you've not seen the part 1, please do well to check my page. It's right there. You can watch it and then follow through and learn these signs. These signs are helpful. They are signs we use in our everyday conversations. They are also signs that we use in customer services. Similar signs, words associated with customer service signs, that is what you're going to be seeing and that is what you're going to be learning. So do well to stay through to the end of the video, and do not forget to like, to share, and also comment. Also be notified so that you're going to be aware when a new video is being posted. So let's learn how to sign customer signs. Box. Place your hands this way, your 5 flat hands this way, straight this way, and do this. Box, box, box. Want, want. Yes, yes. Now think of these as your hands representing your head nodding. Yes. No, no, no. How or how, how or how. Pay, pay. Use your index finger and then you sweep it out this way for pay. Pay. Pay me, pay me, pay me. Pay, pay me. Cash. Now we're just going to finger spell as C-A-S-H. So cash. Cost, cost. Now you use your hands like you're making a letter X this way, and then you use your knuckle to do this for cost. Cost, price, cost, total, total. Now I would like to think of these as packing everything and then putting them together for total, total, total. I-N-D. So ID. C, C. Now you make your hand this way like a K-shaped hand, and then you use your middle finger to you pull it out from your eyes this way for C, C, C. Let's see, let's see. You do this for let's see, let's see. When, when, when. Out, out. Now I would like to think of these as something leaving or going out. So out, out. Lady or woman, this way. Your thumb touching your chin and bringing down to your chest for lady or woman. Lady or woman. Show, 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 show. You use your index finger with your dominant hand, showing these, like you're showing something to somebody. Show, or you're asking somebody to show me, show me. So show. Receipt, receipt. Now you take your both hands this way, you do this and then bring it to a close for receipt. Receipt, receipt, receipt. Accept, accept. Now you place your hand this way and then you bring it towards yourself, like placing it this way for accept. ATM. Now you just finger spell that as ATM. ATM. Or ATM like sticking in your card. Just do this. Sticking in your card to an ATM. ATM. Get or obtain, receive. You do this, a C-shaped hand closing together and coming to your chest for accept, receive, or obtain. Paper, paper. Your flat hand sliding inwards for paper. Paper, paper. Flexible, flexible. This is also plastic, plastic. So you can also sign this for flexible or plastic. Limit, limit, limit. 30, 30, 30. Money, money, money. Back. So you just sign BK, an abbreviation for back. Day, day, for day, like today, a day, day, day. For, for, for. Or now for the sign or, you just make a shift. Me or you. For instance, you just make a shift for or. Exit, exit. Now, we like to think of this as leaving a building. So we just do this. Exit, 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 exit. Or you just finger spell it for EXIT, exit, or exit, exit. Reduce, less, or discount. Now you just do this. Reduce, less, or discount. Now your both hand, you place your non-dominant hand this way and your dominant hand in a curved manner this way, and then you bring it down for reduce, less, or discount. Reduce. Question, question. Now you just use your index finger to do this for question. Question. Possible, can, possible, possible. Ruin, ruin, like something has spoiled, 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 or ruin. You do your hands this way and then you move it out like this for ruin or spoil. Spoil. Wrong, wrong. Size, 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 size. How much, how much, how much, how much. How many, how many. Great job, signers. So let's put some of these words into sentences. Do you want a box? You want box. You. Can I get a discount? Possible, cost less. Great job, signers. So do not forget to like, share, comment, and also get notified, because we do this kind of video every week. Do well to get yourself notified, so whenever a new video is being posted, you'll be the first to know. So until next time, keep signing with me.